I removed hard disk from my laptop and replaced it with an SSD. I was left with an internal hard drive and I couldn't use it as a normal storage because I couldn't place it directly into my laptop because there was no slot for it. So I ordered an internal to external hard drive case which lets you place internal hard drive into it. And now you can use this as an external hard drive using this. Using the cable it came with. All you have to do is place it. Done. I'm using this as well. It came with the SSD I ordered. Now all I have to do is close it. Locked and ready to use. And it gave me an extra 1 TB of storage. You can delete the files if you don't want them. That's it for this video, guys. In case you're interested in blocking short videos from YouTube or transforming them into a normal video so that you can watch at the highest quality and stop doom scrolling, watch either of this video.